Super quick hot tip episode. Recently, I just got a new application on my computer. So I'm running on Ubuntu at work and at home. And usually I use something called deepin screenshot. And basically, deepin screenshot allows me to very quickly take a screenshot anywhere on my screen. So I've got it assigned to a hotkey. It was Control Shift semicolon. And the idea is when I was in the middle of doing something at work and I needed to like show someone on my team something, or if I've got a cool idea and I want to tweet about it and it's involves like a picture in my code or whatever, then I'll use deepin screenshot. So I just say Control Shift semicolon, and then I just drag wherever I want on the screen, and then it brings up this thing where I can then draw over what I just created there. So it's really cool because I can take a picture of something and then quickly circle something in the UI and be like, hey, check this out, that kind of a thing. I loved it. But recently, deepin screenshot stopped working for me. And I think they've stopped working on it for some reason, which sucks because it's so freaking awesome. But anyway, they're not developing it anymore. And I took a screenshot. Whenever I took a screenshot, it wouldn't copy to my clipboard anymore. So I couldn't take a screenshot, copy it, and then easily send it to Twitter or someone on my team. And every now and then it would work. Sometimes it wouldn't. So anyway, I went searching for something else to solve this problem, and I found Flameshot. And so if you're on a Linux system, if you're not, stick around though. If you're on a Linux system, check out Flameshot. It's really, really cool to be able to just take pictures and then circle things and do stuff like that really quickly. But I've actually found another recent use for it. And that is sometimes I will take a photo of some data on the screen when I'm building like a live form type thing. And I want to refresh the page and check that all of the fields in that form updated on the server. So sometimes you refresh the page, come back, and it didn't actually update on the server properly, and so your values will disappear. And sometimes this can be difficult to know, especially if it's like a really large form, or if, in this case, I'm using a table, and all those tables have input fields in them. As I type into those input fields, they update on the back end, and I just wanted a way to check that. Especially when we've got calculated fields as well, and it gets kind of complicated, and I want to make sure the calculations recalculate and they're correct. But anywho, this means that I can take a screenshot of its current state, and Flameshot allows me to then open it straight away in an image editor. So I can very quickly take a screenshot of the table to see what the current values are, open it in an image in my image tool, then I can refresh the page and just check that the image of what the values were line up with what they are now that I've refreshed the page and that it's gone and fetched it from the server again. So I don't know if that totally made sense to you, but basically it allows you to take a screenshot on the screen and immediately open it in something like GIMP or whatever your image editor is, or just something like Shotwell so you can just quickly view that image. Really, really handy, and I've absolutely loved it. Super easy to get started with. So yeah, that's really cool. And another one I found recently, let me just search for this quickly. It was another one by Deepin. Yeah, Deepin Screen Record, I think it's called. And basically that allows you to take a small part of your screen and do a video of that part of your screen and then save it as an MP4 or even save it as a GIF, which is really cool because sometimes you've got sites that will only let you, embed GIFs, which allow you to very quickly show like some code examples. So I thought that was really cool. I haven't really played around with it much yet, but I love that concept. So I can be doing something at work and all of a sudden be like, oh, this is a really cool idea. I want to share it with everyone. And then just do a quick GIF video showing them what I just learned. And then I can sort of quickly send that on Twitter or whatever social network. So I thought that was really cool. Yeah, and that's what I just wanted to share with you today. Once again, that's called, I need to look it up, Flameshot. The other one is called Deepin Screen Recorder, I believe it's called. So yeah, definitely check out Flameshot. And the other thing I use in tandem with this is called AutoKey. So AutoKey is something that I use to basically allow me to use hotkeys on my keyboard that will automatically open a program, for example. So if I say Control Shift colon, that will automatically open up my screenshot tool, so I can then just click drag to screenshot anything on the screen. Super, super helpful. So yeah, if you're on a Linux, then check out AutoKey. They have similar stuff on Windows because I used to do this in the past on a Windows. So if you're watching this on YouTube, then could you quickly like put in a comment if you know about something on Windows or Mac that does something similar? That'd be really awesome to help other people that are listening to this podcast. So if you've got something that allows you to basically click drag across the screen and take a photo of something, a screenshot of something quickly, then let us know in the comments. And also let us know if you have a program that allows you to easily do screen recording type stuff that you can turn into GIFs and share easily on social media. So that'd be super helpful for the community. Thanks so much, everyone, for listening. Check out quasarcomponents.com if you want to learn about all of Quasar's components. I'm going to be running through all 72 of them. I've already finished over half the videos. It is a monster job, but I'm still keeping at it, and I can't wait to finish that series and release it to everyone. So check out quasarcomponents.com to have early access to these videos. There's a whole bunch of other cool stuff that I'll be sharing with you as well. So yeah, just a quick one today. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next podcast. And remember, there is nothing you can't build.